Hi, how can make your computer custom and known file types? So I just see you um, here some files, uh, a name to many files. So we how can know this file type and this file type and this file type? Just we can see here icons AVI and this icon just image and this icon FLV, this icon MP4 like this, but we cannot understand what this file type. So we just configure our computer, go to our settings and control plans and select appearance and personalize and select folder options. Now go to view and this checkbox just you remove and apply this and OK, and go to this folder and now you can see this file extension AVI, BMP, FLV, all of file types you just know to this. And if you want to make a new file and so as new, so I can want to text file, just I can text here. I choose a name, just name, and see here txt. This file is text document, so here you see txt and I just okay, this file text file. Thank you.